I thought you were on a diet.
Oh, my chest.
You are now a rabbit, gathering food for summer.
It's my intermittent fasting and this is my eating window.
Intermittent fasting? So it's 10:30 p.m. you want to digest all this spaghetti?
But Mommy, how come you're not asleep?
Huh? It's your father. He and Uncle Nicholas, they are still out. Can you believe this is the third night this week?
Football season, right? You know men and the football.
That's no excuse for missing out on family time.
So what are we going to do about that? We cannot set up a viewing center here now.
Viewing center. What is in that viewing center that we don't have in this house? That they have to go out every night?
Oh no, I've not been to one before. Mom, I hope it's not what I'm thinking you want to do, that you want to do.
No. Not at all.
Okay.
All right, deposit.
Mom,
I say deposit. Which one is... Finishing all my food in this house, you are forming diets. Yeah. Hola, straight to bed. Forming stash in this house. Meanwhile, viewing center.
The north is so beautiful. And the food, it's nothing like I have ever tasted before. The color.
Vibrant. What about the aroma?
The aroma, oh gosh. It smells just like this one.
This smells so good.
Yeah. Your Dambo Shinkafa tastes even better. How did you do it?
Onga seasoning. It's all the seasoning you need for great taste and aroma.
Onga, Mama's helping hand.
How can you say it's not the same thing? Is it not the same football that they will play here that they will play in that place?
It is, but there's the camaraderie and the satisfaction of rubbing it in your opponent's face when your team scores. And, it's a feeling that no true footballer should ever miss.
And then invite the opponent to the house.
We're talking of about 20 people.
No, I'm not doing party.
Do you even like football?
Can I even like this boring dead game?
No, please, we don't see that outside.
I should not say the truth. Hey. So you don't feel like sleeping when you watch this thing?
No, see my eyes now. Wide open.
You need to understand what football is. You know, it is pure entertainment. It is about the precision, ball handling, scoring. See, I'm missing a lot, my dear, a lot.
At least I still know. Beckham is still a footballer, right?
Beckham,
He's not still playing.
Educate your wife now. What's going on?
It's not that deep now.
Look, I can't take this anymore. I think you should call me when the food is ready.
And to think that I was about to make point and kill pepper soup for you people.
See the time. I think the night to match will soon start. We will all have to watch the match in this panel. Nowhere else.
But if you want us to watch it in this house, you have to agree that you and AJ will watch it with us.
Deal.
Deal, good. Now, we can watch.
I know we will not see you doing here because of this live catfish. If it's cow meat now,
You can eat it.
And you eat it now. No. What's the point of buying slaughtered fish? One point and give is the cocoa of the matter. I don't understand it. Well, match supposed to start?
Don't know. Yes.
Alright. This looks just about it. Madam, reality TV show. I don't know what you are still doing there. There's actual work to be done. Oh, take the manu to the parlor.
Oh, it's hot.
If it's hot food now, you will eat it without hesitation. Come on, take it.
See what you say you don't like.
Yeah, no. He kicked the ball and it entered the net.
No. It didn't just enter the net. Did you not see the precision, the dribble, the angle of elevation that he used to suspend the ball? No, don't say that.
Cristiano Messi did all that.
Cristiano who?
Oh,
Cristiano what?
I'm still here because of this point and kill. I'm here just because of this point and
See,
kill.
how many more minutes are there?
It's just 20 minutes. 20 minutes. 20 pass, ball, pass.
Until first half
Hey,
ends.
Joey.
You want to break his leg?
Wait, until first half?
Ends, yes.
Yeah, that's how it is now. Just
See this,
relax.
see
The match is just
see this
starting.
Japanese boy.
Enjoy. Just.
Can I go play?
Oh, it's free kick.
Was that not supposed to be a yellow card?
No, now free
Play,
kick.
play.
Free kick.
Oh!
Okay, Cristiano Messi won, Abi?
Welcome back from La La Land. Yeah. You are the one who asked us to stay back to watch this thing. Now you're the one who's not letting us enjoy it.
Sorry, I could not help myself. Guys, are closing. So, how was the match, guys?
It was, first half was hot. It's currently a drop. I know that my boys can do it.
Wait,
They watch
first
it
half?
like that. Yes. There's usually an initial period of play. Then a break, then they'll come back with the second half.
Oh no, my eyes can't stay open much longer. Okay, before my eyes close completely, let me come and arrange scale point and kill.
Yes.
AJ1.
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 Not to wonder. Pepper soup that making you J1. See, I was telling you that time that if I had gone a bit closer to the foot, it's a better feel, see.
The north is so beautiful. And the food, it's nothing like I have ever tasted before. The color.
Vibrant. What about the aroma?
The aroma, oh gosh. Smells just like this one.
This smells so good.
Yeah. Your Dambo Shinkafa tastes even better. How did you do it?
Onga seasoning. It's all the seasoning you need for great taste and aroma.
Onga, Mama's helping hand.
Mommy, I do not understand why they love football like that. It's boring.
I thought I was the only one. I slept practically all through.
They keep shouting at the TV as if the players can hear them.
It's the one that I don't even understand. But you see, sometimes I think you just have to enjoy the things that the people you love enjoy, just so they can enjoy it a little bit more.
I do not understand.
Ejimwa, what I mean is that you and I need to do a better job at supporting your father and brother's interests. You see, even if we don't even understand what's going on, just shout, yeah, whenever they shout, or when they're upset, just hiss when they hiss. That's all.
But it's so boring.
I know, but guess how your brother feels about our favorite telenovelas? Or who comes to call us when it comes on?
Daddy.
Who records our shows when we're not around?
Daddy.
And finally, who goes out of his way to make sure that we have new ones when our favorites are about to come to an end?
Junior.
Exactly. So, young lady, I'm sure we can still stay through another 20 minutes?
No, 45 minutes. That's why you.
Okay. 45 minutes of football will be good, Sabi.
Okay, Mommy. Yeah.
Okay, I'll bring out the 7 platters.
Okay.
Pass the ball up. Go! Listen, go!
This is fish chicken! This is fish chicken now! Then what is it?
You are telling him to his face on Twitter. Swift is a cheater.
No. Cannot tell me that. Cannot tell me that. Shimmy! Oh, no. Come on now. Come on.
Wow, no, now it's not fair now.
I won't change your reactions.
It doesn't make any sense now.
Love is about sacrifice. Even in the seemingly little things, like enjoying a moment because your loved ones love it, not because you do.